Gravity Pulse Systems SYNOPTIK is the result of decades of combined experience in the field of engineering and consulting services. To understand its benefits, let us paint a picture of a typical scenario where our product can give you the biggest advantage over your competitors. Let's say you have orders coming in from customers in different industries, including aviation, medical, and automotive with their specific requirements. On top of that, you're also working with any number and combination of the same or different 3D printing machines and materials with different properties. How should your production be scheduled with the lowest costs, least amount of waste, and still be compliant and completed on time? What happens if an urgent order comes in for a premium price, machines temporarily stop working, or more material is consumed than expected? How is your schedule impacted? More specifically, you're asking yourself, how shall I configure print jobs, combine parts? When should I change my build plate setup? How will urgent orders fit into existing nesting configurations? How should individual build plates be assigned to machines, and when and in which order? What is the plan for material consumption, including batch blending, recycling, and material preparation? When should I order what material or resource for an optimal schedule? What are the specific steps starting now for the planning horizon? What has been a daunting process of planning complex processes during confusing meetings and dreaded flip charts has become as easy as clicking a button. Enter the world of SYNOPTIK. SYNOPTIK gives you recommendations on optimizing nesting of build plates based on engineering, technology, operational, and commercial parameters and criteria. Print job configurations are easily cross-referenced with any type of their member parts and the sales orders those parts originate from. The unit cost of the individual parts is calculated based on the optimal end-to-end schedule and includes all post-processing steps and quality inspections. With SYNOPTIK, you can beat expected delivery dates and increase your sales margins with the optimal schedule that speeds up your process cycle times. Once the recommended print jobs are confirmed, the number of build plates is calculated and their optimal allocations to machines, their expected production time, expected material consumption, and operational parameters are finalized. These parameters include the planned print time, planned material consumption, material blending, recycling and preparation strategies, and many more on the print job or machine level. SYNOPTIK automatically reconfigures print jobs when urgent orders come in, a series of a specific component has reached its completion date, or major changes occur in the production. What-if scenarios can be tested with the simulation feature. The following schedules are clearly presented. Print job related information, including the individual build plates, material, machines, inventory, and post-processing steps. Schedule of machines, their planned utilization, maintenance, and process parameters. Powder consumption, blending, recycling, preparation, and replenishment, as well as test procedures. Inventory planning. Multiple schedules can be generated around the same optimum. A special tool offers comparison features for selecting the active schedule. 3D animation offers an integrated view of all events scheduled for a preset time horizon. The sequence of events can be sped up, slowed down, played forward or backward, and zoomed in on for individual objects or events. Our MES system with self-developed sensors tracks all manufacturing events, including powder tracing and tracking and 3D printing. Post-processing operations, such as heat treatment, where different parts with the same heat cycle parameters can be combined on the fly. Other post-processing steps like CNC, sandblasting, etc. And quality inspection, where inspection results of individual parts can be made representative for all other parts of the same plate. Our pre-configured NFC tags and QR codes can automate the process even further to minimize manual input. And last but not least, detailed monitoring and dashboard functions enable you to efficiently trace and evaluate your entire manufacturing process, allowing you to act ahead of time. If you're still here watching this, that can mean one of two things. You either have way too much time on your hands, or you've finally found what you've been looking for. In either case, contact us now at sales@gpsys.com and trust us with your unsolvable problems.